What's going on, guys? On today's how-to, I'm going to show you how to install a vinyl sticker on your car. Now, this method that I'm about to explain works for any size sticker, and it can also work on a shop storefront, like any type of glass or metal or anything like that that you want to put a graphic on. Alright guys, so we're starting off with the smaller sticker that I had laying around. So pretty much how every vinyl sticker works, you have the backing, and then the actual colored piece is the actual sticker itself, and then what's on top is called transfer tape or transfer paper. So basically it's a little sticky piece of paper that goes on top of the sticker, and that's how you transfer it over to whatever surface you're putting it on. Now, surface prep is huge. I see a lot of people install stickers on cars with Windex. You do not want to use Windex because Windex actually leaves a little bit of a residue. Best thing to use is any type of alcohol, so any type of rubbing alcohol. It doesn't really matter the percentage, but you want to clean the surface with that. And you can do this on car paint or anything like that. Yes, it will probably eat the wax up a little bit, but just make sure you wax over it. So not a huge deal, right? So the way you want to start is when you first get the sticker and you're about ready to put it on, make sure you take a squeegee or any credit card or anything like that, and you just want to run it over the sticker just really quick, just to make sure that transfer tape is actually sticking to the sticker itself, and then you can peel it away. Alright, so as you're peeling the sticker away, if you have really intricate details in here, you want to go really slow with it. So the way I do it, if I start peeling it off, and I'm going to try to make an example here. If I start to peel it off and I see the transfer tape's actually pulling away, just push it back on there and really bend the edge of the actual paper that the sticker is stuck on. Really bend that edge back. And that should be able to get everything off there. And then sometimes, I don't know if you guys can see right here, so the cutter cut into the backing a little bit, which is not a huge deal. Just make sure it's all off. Alright, so now we have our sticker, right? That's the actual sticky part of the sticker. So when you go to lay it on, there's a couple different ways you can do this depending on the size, okay? You don't just want to plop it down because that'll leave air bubbles in it. So the best way to do it is once you have it lined up exactly where you want to just kind of tack one edge down, okay? So when you tack that one edge down, next thing you want to do is take your squeegee or that credit card. You're going to start squeegeeing it out, okay? So make sure you do it nice and gentle and also keep it flat, okay? You don't want to do it somewhere in like the middle of the sticker going out. You want to just be nice and even with it. Just like that. So once you do have it laid down, go the same direction. Make sure everything's nice and squeegeed. And then, once you're done with that, you can basically take this transfer tape, and the transfer tape should pull away from the sticker. Just like that. There you have it. Brand new sticker. Alright guys, so next up we're going to do a larger sticker or even a window banner. The best way to do this is actually to mix up a solution of water, rubbing alcohol, and dish soap, spray it over your surface area, and then actually on the back of the sticker. That way you can just take the transfer tape with the sticker with it, peel that backing off, and then once you put it on the car, it won't actually stick immediately. So that way you can kind of move it and adjust it to exactly where you need it, and then you're just going to squeegee all that water and the water solution out, and then just let it dry, and then you'll peel the transfer tape off, and then you'll have a really good looking sticker actually. It really helps to get the bubbles out, and especially if you have kind of weird contoured spots on your car or whatever, it really helps with that. If you don't want to do that, or if you don't really have to do that, it's not a big deal, okay? So I've already prepped this area, put rubbing alcohol, and then basically I'm going to line this up exactly where I want it to go. We'll say about right there, and then I'm going to take a piece of painter's tape. I'm going to put a piece of tape right in the middle, going over the sticker all the way down. Alright, so next, I'm going to take my sticker, so now you're just working in halves. So I'm going to get the sticker off. Alright, so once we're about here, I'm going to take another piece of tape. I'm going to tack the back of the transfer tape off to there, okay? So next, I'm going to take a really sharp pair of scissors, and then you're going to cut relatively close to the tape, not all the way up into the tape, okay? The reason you want really sharp scissors is to make sure you don't have kind of like a fuzzy edge right here that'll actually get stuck. If that is the case, you just want to fold it back towards the car. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take your squeegee and then keeping it straight. So just kind of float with this, with the actual sticker, and then you're going to be applying the sticker with just the squeegee itself. All right, just like that. So once you have that half done, you can take your tape off. And then now when you come to the other side, since you tucked underneath that edge that could be fuzzy, you should actually have a really good sticker. So now you're going to peel this off. Alright, once you got that whole piece peeled off, now you can start working this way. So basically you're just going to keep the sticker nice and straight and squeegee all the way down. And the reason you want to let the squeegee kind of do the work instead of trying to angle this wherever it goes, again, just keep this free floating, because the way you lined it up and when you taped it down, the sticker's already straight. So you don't actually have to worry about it being straight when you're laying it down. Alright, then now I'm just going to kind of do a final pass over everything. And now you can peel your transfer tape off. And by all means, am I no professional, okay? But I have done this quite a few times. For the most part, it works out. But you're always, not always, sometimes you could have some sort of air bubble or something trapped somewhere. If that is the case, just take a razor, and then you're just going to basically take the edge of that razor, poke a tiny, tiny little hole in there, and then you can use your fingers, and you're basically going to push the air towards where that hole is. And because it is a vinyl sticker, it actually kind of self-heal. So it works out really good. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was nice and short, but it is a very, very simple thing that I see a lot of people do get wrong. If you have any tips for me, please feel free to leave some comments below. Again, I know I'm no professional, but it is pretty simple and straightforward to do. If you guys want any of the stickers, I do have that link in the description with all my merch. You can grab my new t-shirts that I just got in, or any of my rally team stickers. Again, thanks for watching. If you did like the video, please leave a like. If not, leave a dislike and let me know why. Have a good one, guys.